My name's Sean O'Leary, and I'm the president of SafeTech Alarm Systems. SafeTech Alarm Systems has been operating in the Greater Toronto Area for over 15 years. We've installed over 10,000 burglar alarms and over 1,000 different video surveillance cameras for businesses and homes throughout the GTA. We're a security solutions provider. Essentially what we do is we find ways of mitigating the risks and losses that our clients experience. So we install burglar alarms, access control, video surveillance systems, window bars and gates, window film, locksmith work, article surveillance, anything essentially that keeps the bad guys out. That's what our job is. In my storied business career as an entrepreneur, I have operated now 3 businesses. The first 2 businesses, I received first a student venture loan when I graduated from university to run a painting business, and that was about $3,000 that I received. And at the end of the summer, I was able to pay back my loan in full with the interest, so the government was very happy. The second loan that I received was a youth venture capital loan that was to start up a real estate consulting company that I had, and was also able to pay that off when I winded down that operation. And then when I started up SafeTech Alarm Systems, I got a new venture capital loan for $15,000 and was able to fully pay that off as well within a very few short years. Receiving money from government is critical to any startup venture. In the beginning, if you don't have the funds required to do your initial marketing, to find your customers, or if you don't have the tools required to produce the jobs that you're selling or the services you're providing, then it's impossible. So it is critical to any startup that they have the requisite amount of funds in order to get off the ground. And going to government and utilizing government programs to find those resources is extremely valuable, and I would encourage everyone and anyone to look at the available funding that government offers to start up their new venture. The Canadian government has a program for small businesses, and it's called the Small Business Financing Program. That program will lend up to $500,000 for new ventures. It's a matching system where you have to produce receipts, and they'll lend against those receipts, or they'll match $1 for dollar on the receipts that you produce. Particularly in my case, I started up a bar, it's called Bar 244, and we obtained $80,000 in small funding for our new venture, and we only had to guarantee 25% of that $80,000. So even if the venture doesn't work out, I'm only on the hook for 25% of those funds. And it was crucial for us in getting off the ground and renovating the place that we really needed to attract the customers and make the place look decent. There's many wonderful resources out there for one to research and determine what is the most suitable loan for their new venture. The Small Business Financing Center is one of those wonderful vehicles that one can research and determine what is the appropriate lending vehicle that they need to go to in order to obtain their financing for their venture. If you're going to be successful, it's important that you go to the right place that is specifically set up by a particular government to fund your type of business. So do your research, and you'll be more likely to get the money that you need to start your new venture.